What's up, guys? Steve here from Kart Breaking Now. We're getting ready for our 4-box Facebook mixer. We posted it last night with hopes of filming it, and it filled, but it didn't fill until like 4 a.m. my time or something. So obviously it was too late to break it. We're going to go ahead and do it now. 4 o'clock, we're live in about 2 hours. So here we go. Good luck with your teams. It is 148. We got Anaheim and Winnipeg. And Vegas should be in there somewhere, but they're not. No, wait, sorry, there's no 17-18. Brain fart, on my part. Let's do it. Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Jeffrey to Andrew. Good luck, guys. It's 149. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 149. 149. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp is at 149, and 149 it is. So let's copy these over. Tampa Bay to Florida, and Columbus to Dallas. All right, there's your teams. Now we got to do our names. It's 149, and again, Jeffrey to Andrew. 1, 2, 3. This is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 150. 150 it is. And last and final. Last and final timestamp of the video is at 150. And 150 it is. Jordan, top spot to John, the halfway point. And Nico to Tony. Alright guys, here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in about 2 hours. Best of luck.